Absorption spectrum. When a white light from high density hot matter is passed through a cold hydrogen gas, is again passed through a spectrometer, we get a hydrogen absorption spectrum. We find few dark lines in the colored background where the light particular wavelength are missing. When white light is allowed to pass through a medium, then the spectrum obtained is known as absorption spectrum. Each absorption medium has its own characteristics absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum is classified into three types. The first, continuous absorption spectrum, and it looks like. The second one, line absorption spectrum, and it looks like. The third one, band absorption spectrum. You find a closely packed dark lines in a colored background. Continuous absorption spectrum. The white light from high density hot matter is passed through a blue glass, is again passed through a spectrometer, we get a continuous absorption spectrum of blue. The blue glass absorbs all the color except the blue. It sends out only blue color, it absorbs the remaining color. When we allow the white light to pass through, green glass is again passed through a spectrometer, we get a continuous absorption spectrum of green color. Here the green glass absorbs all the color except green. White light is passed through a red glass, is again passed through a spectrometer, we get a continuous absorption spectrum. Here the red glass absorbs all the color except red color. When we pass white light through a red glass plate, it absorbs all the colors except red and gives continuous absorption spectrum. Here is an example. Here the window sends out different color depending upon the color of the glass. When the color of the glass is red, it can allow only red light but not the remaining light. Line absorption spectrum. When the white light from high density hot matter is passed through a cold hydrogen gas, is again passed through spectrometer, we get the hydrogen absorption spectrum. We find few dark lines on the colored continuous background. When the white light is passed through cold sodium gas, is passed again through spectrometer, we get sodium absorption spectrum. We find two dark lines in the yellow region. When white light is passed through cold gas, the spectrum obtained through the dispersion due to prism is line absorption spectrum. When white light is passed through cold gas, the spectrum obtained through the dispersion due to prism is line absorption spectrum. Band absorption spectrum. When white light from high density hot matter is passed through solution of organic compound or solution of inorganic compound, is passed again through spectrometer, we get a bunch of closely packed dark lines in a continuous colored background called the band spectrum of the organic compound solution. When white light is passed through iodine vapor or dilute solution of blood or chlorophyll, a dark band on a continuous color background is obtained. Thank you.